Creative Industries Week is a week in November where we pause the usual timetable and we try and give students an overview of the broader Faculty of Arts and Creative Industries. The week has two main parts. We offer a series of careers events where students get to reflect on their career routes into the future.
The reason that I wanted to come back to the university from graduating is because Sunderland gave me a lot, so I want to give everything I can back to not just the university but the students as well.
I think it's really important for individuals to give back, and maybe just gives them that little bit of spark that they need to actually take their idea that they might have and do something with it.
We also offer a series of creative workshops where students can experience different parts of the faculty. So for example, an art student might get to do radio acting, students could do African drumming, drawing, dance. This mural behind me was done by a group of students working together.
Creative Industries Week, I think, is quite significant because it does something which is a very current issue at the moment, which means collaborating. A process is not just, an individual process, but a communal process.
I went to Sunderland Uni and graduated 12 years ago. What I did with the girls today is taught them a bit of choreography, like hip-hop, whacking, a bit of popping and dancehall. They're really keen, good learners and pick stuff up well, which is always good.
I was really impressed by the way the students were so prepared. They're working really well together, the scripts are really interesting, different styles, interesting characters, and they're very responsive to direction.
This generation are the most connected generation. People have now got the power in the pocket to create absolutely anything. You don't need massive budgets anymore to create content. You just need a good idea.
Creative industries can have the biggest impact in making the next big change. Nurturing the creative industry students is really, really important.
I think it's one of the main reasons that universities should exist. That's a great opportunity, like you can build your career through that.
Without it, I would never have experienced the workshop today and possible kind of roles with this company.
Creative Industries Week is really a chance to build confidence, meet other students that they may well work with into the future.